Hello friends. Web applications are everywhere and so are their vulnerabilities. One of the most common misunderstood and still dangerous web attacks today is cross-site scripting. In this video, we will break down what is XSS, how it how it works, the different types of XSS attacks, real-world impact. So let's start. What is XSS? XSS means cross-site scripting attacks. Are a type of injection in which malicious scripts are injected into trusted websites. In simple word to say, cross-site scripting is a vulnerability in a web application that allows a third party to execute a script in the user's browser on behalf of the web application. If an application accepts user input and sends it back to the browser without proper validation or encoding, an attacker can inject JavaScript that runs as if it were trusted code. XSS attack can lead to the serious consequences for users like session hijacking, cookie theft, account takeover, or account compromise. Phishing attacks can be done, malware delivery, any malware can be installed in system, account deletion. Using XSS, attacker can delete your account and take over also. What makes XSS especially dangerous is that the malicious script executes in the context of the trusted website, bypassing many security controls. Types of XSS attack. First is reflected XSS, second stored XSS, and third is DOM based XSS. So first we'll see reflected XSS. What is reflected XSS? Reflected XSS happens when user input is immediately returned by the server, commonly in search results or error messages. Whatever script has injected by the attacker, if server responds immediately for that input, that is called a reflected XSS. Like user sends crafted script via URL and server displays the output of the script on the page immediately, like session logged out, or password incorrect, that kind of any kind of errors or any kind of output whatever is mentioned in the script. Reflected access attacks usually require social engineering, such as sending a malicious link to a victim. Second type of attack is stored accesses. Stored accesses is more dangerous. Malicious payload is saved on the server, for example, in the form of comment sections, user profiles, forums. Every user who views the infected page becomes a victim, making this attack persistent and scalable. Third attack is DOM based accesses. So DOM based accesses occurs entirely in the browser. The server may be secure, but insecure JavaScript on the client side manipulates the DOM using untrusted data. This is often overlooked because traditional server side security tools may not detect it. XSS has affected major platforms including social media sites, content management systems, and enterprise dashboards. Even with modern frameworks, misconfigurations, and unsafe coding patterns continue to introduce XSS vulnerabilities. XSS is a client-side attack that exploits trust. It comes in a reflected, stored, and DOM-based form. If you are a developer, tester, or security professional, understanding XSS is non-negotiable. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, subscribe for more cybersecurity content, and let me know what topic you want in next video.